So Frank, I have your hyperlow RS Plus. This frame is so sick. Oh my god. I love this thing. It's more simple than the Vert. I really like the Vert too a lot, but this one's just so much more simple and easier. It turned out really nice too. So I know I did a video of the frame, and now that it's finished up, we'll go through the parts. So these are the iFlight Zing, I think that's how you say it, Xing, Zing, whatever, 2306, 2450 kV. Perfect size, perfect kV for a 4S, 5-inch. Really nice motors too, man. These are just beautiful motors. The stack, we got the T-Motor F45 amp 4-in-1. I've been using a lot of these lately in a lot of builds. One of the best 4-in-1s I've ever used. I mean, works every time. Just so nice, big pad. I mean, there's just so many good things to say about it and not one single bad thing to say about it. So definitely go for the T-Motor 45 amp for your next build if you're thinking about which one you should use. It's a really good one. I would say the same thing about the new Pyrodrone 45 amp 4-in-1. It's a little bit cheaper, but not much. I mean, the Pyrodrone one is $50. This one's only $64. So $14 more, you're getting a huge step up. You know what I'm saying? I just did a review of the flight controller. This is the HGLRC Forward F7. Really good flight controller. From what I've seen so far, I can't say in terms of how it flies yet, but we'll see. What else we got? We got the XM Plus back here. So the bind button's right here, very easy to get to. It's on the other side. I cut a little square out of the heat shrink, so very easy to push the button. You can get to it from the top right here very easily. So I haven't bound it up yet. I figured on this one I would... That's where that came from. Okay. I was wondering... I found this on the floor. I was like, what the hell? I figured I'd bind it up on camera just, you know, so that you have something to go back on if you ever need help or whatever. So we're going to start with the radio.
Welcome to OpenTX.
You're going to hit menu, page, plus. Make sure it's in D16. Go down to bind, hit that one. Hit enter. Now it's ready to bind. By the way, you guys, have you seen the new FR Sky firmware or new receiver protocol or whatever it is? I'm pretty excited for it. I can't really talk much about it right now because I don't know a lot about it, but it's pretty exciting stuff. I was wondering when they were going to do something different. I mean, we've been using the XM Plus for years now, you know, and I know there's other new things like the R9 and whatnot, but pretty exciting to be able to take what we already have and just update it with some firmware to make it badass, you know. All right, so gonna get the battery ready like this. Oh, and that's one of the things I was thinking too, is no more doing this with the new firmware. I guess I don't remember exactly how you bind it, but no more having to hold the button while you plug the battery in. This is kind of let me turn it around right here. Okay. I don't know about this. Okay, get the battery ready. Push the button. Make sure you feel it click. There we go. Plug the battery in. I like to hold it for a couple seconds. After I plug the battery in, I'll keep holding the bind button for about 2 seconds and then let go. And make sure you see the flashing LED. So let me show you real quick. You'll see the flash, see the red flash right there? That means that it's binding. If you don't see it flashing fast like that, it's not binding. Okay, so now you can push enter on your radio again to stop the bind. There we go. Unplug the battery, plug the battery back in, and you'll see a solid green. Can't really see it because this wire is in the way, but there we go. So now it's a solid green right here. That means it's bound. Okay, so we're good to go on the bind. Now, I have not set up the flight controller yet, so I'm going to go do that. I can't really do it on camera right now because my daughter is sleeping in the living room. She gets really tired after school. So, yeah, I'll just go do that real quick and then I'll come back. What's cool is, I guess HGLRC already had this thing all set up. Even down to the modes. Which is pretty cool. I mean, you don't see that too often. I know Beta FPV does it, but screw Beta FPV. So, it was already all set up. It was even set up on S-Bus. It was already set up with the right ports even. Except the only problem I had was they had smart audio hooked up on the right port, but they had it set for Tramp. And I'm using a Unify, so I just switched it to smart audio real quick. And that was pretty much the only thing I had to do besides, you know, the battery voltage, low battery alarm, and the PIDs. That was pretty much it. They even had it set to D-Shot 1200 and everything. Pretty cool. So, yeah, let's make sure it arms real quick. And then next we will get the props put on and do a little hover test. Make sure the video is working. We got the Runcam Robin on here. Pretty cool camera. I guess people are liking the Racer 2 camera. I haven't tried it yet, but... Alright, let's see if it arms.
0, 0.
Yeah. Ooh, those motors sound smooth too. Nice. Okay, now let's check the video. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's a nice image actually. That's not bad at all. Yeah, that looks really nice. Those colors look really good. Damn. I'm impressed. Yeah, that looks nice. Alright, oh. Make sure the motors are spinning the right way.
0, 0.
Nope. Two and 4 need changed. That's good to know. Alright. Let's get a battery strap as well. So this has the real long slot here too for a wide battery strap. Somebody needs to make some real nice wide battery straps. Instead of having to use 2, you could just use one wide one. Let's see, what do I got? We'll throw do a race day quads. Oh no, you got the hyperlight ones. These are kind of long, but they should be good. So we should be able to go, let's see, we'll just go through it. That way you can adjust it to where you want. So let's see, this is just 1,000 milliamp hour, but yeah, with a bigger battery, which is what you'll be using, it'll be the perfect length. This should be good how it is. So just plugging in like this, that'll be good just sitting there like that. But let's put the props on to see what it looks like. Or put a prop on or something. right here. Got these HQ Popos. They're 5141s. Yeah, that'll be totally fine. Perfect. Alright, so I will get the props on real fast, and then actually I'll just fast forward this. Alright, so everything's all done now. I reversed the motors. What was it, 2 and 4 need to reverse, so those are good to go. So now all the motors spin the right way. I noticed also when I was plugging the battery that I didn't hear nothing because I forgot to put a buzzer on, so I threw a buzzer on. It's in front here. I zip tied it to the wires, so it's not going anywhere. It's right there, right behind the camera. I don't know if you can see it or not. So yeah, got the buzzer. Yeah, everything's good to go. So let's do a test hover. Oh, also I got your, what quad was that? Whatever quad you sent me, I forgot which one it was. Some tiny whoop or a Raycon 76 maybe that you sent me. That just arrived today, so I will be putting that new receiver in it, and then I'll be able to ship both of these back to you hopefully tomorrow. So let's get this turned around and see this puppy fly. Here we go.
0, 0.
Nice and punchy. Damn. Damn, man, that thing's got some power. Damn. Oh man, that was nice. I just wanted to go take it outside and fly it. Alright, so there it is. Beautiful quad. Good to go. I think that's all I got, so that is all for now.